All right, back for another one here, boys and girls. Roush's Red Edition F-150 Supercharged Kit salutes America. So this is an article that I found not too long ago for you folks that are into the Ford F-150, especially the Roush's Supercharged setup here. So now I found this on one of the media websites here. So let's go over some of the details here. So Roush has released a special Red Edition Supercharged kit for the 2021-2026 Ford F-150 models with the 5.0 liter V8. Now the Red Edition is a limited production release, is what they're saying, that was created to celebrate the company turning 50 and America's 250th birthday, of course. Now, the $8,899.99 kit costs the same as the existing one. Now, with a red painted supercharged housing. So if you see through the pictures there, you'll see that as well. Both increase output to 705 horsepower and 635 pound-feet of torque is what I'm reading here. So the engineers at Roush are no strangers to big numbers, is what they're saying. They already make a kit to the supercharged 5.0 liter V8s in the 2021 and the newer Ford F-150s, giving them 705 horsepower. So now, just in time for a big number, especially for the birthdays, that kit is available in now the color red. Now, as you can see that here in the images, so the Red Edition Supercharged kit costs the same, like I said, $8,899.99 as the package with the run-of-the-mill black blower top. So both kits include parts to make way for the backup of the additional output. So such a forged aluminum crankshaft damper, a new air intake, a larger radiator, and an intercooler, new spark plugs, and the software to extract that power is what they're saying. The 2.65 liter Roots type supercharged with twin 4-looped rotors also boost the torque to an acclaimed 635 pound-feet. So the difference here is, and we've said this before, that as the red painted applied to the supercharged housing, Roush is using the coincidental occasions of its 50th birthday and the country's 250th to roll out the special finish. So now red is used in the Performance Shop's logo and is usually, likely now in July of 2026. So is one of the three colors, the US flag, of course. It's the same red, although a different supercharged cap used in Roush's kit for current generation 5.0 liter Ford Mustangs. So that one available for the 740 and the 810 horsepower flavors, don't forget. So Roush didn't make any claims regarding time performance with this package, and those results are very depending on the configuration of the F-150. You strap it to, of course. But to get the idea, in our hands, the F-150 with Ford's own FP 700 kit, it makes only 700 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It hits to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 4.2 seconds. Meanwhile, the F-150 Raptor R, the one with the 720 horsepower, 5.2 liter V8 and tires that aren't exactly meant for the street, perform the same feat in 3.6 seconds. So let's assume it's very fast. Now, interestingly though, Roush makes no claims about this being a once-in-a-lifetime offer. So it could be coming out again. Indeed, product package for the Red Edition kit, holds the door open for future reddening is what they're saying. Well, now they're not promising this color comes back though. So, but they're also promising it won't. Very interesting. So yeah, so for $8,899.99, if you want to buy this Roush kit to put on your Ford F-150 for the 5.0 liter V8, happy birthday, folks. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.